New Zealanders would say that KEA Parrots are the world's only protected gang of little vandals. They're known for having a fondness for eating the rubber lining of car doors and chewing on antennas. But everyone still loves the little rascals. KEA is respected by the Maori as kaitiaki, or guardians of the mountains. KEA are thought to be very clever. Some scientists even think that they might be as smart as a 4-year-old child. You can see their playful behavior, which has led to their nickname, the clown of the mountains.
Takhle blízko v divoké přírodě ke mně přijde KEA. Miláčku.